Welcome back to Everyday Exercises. Today I'm going to do some lower body work, starting with jump ropes. I'm going to do some calf raises. I haven't done those in a bit, and several other exercises, but I'm going to do the 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off method again. Then I'm going to head back outside, see what I can do over 5 kilometers, try to hold a steadier pace. Yesterday I was doing speed sessions where I was accelerating. Upwards of 8-minute pace. So my legs are a little stiff, my knees are stiff, but I'm going to warm up really well and just try to hold a steady pace around 9:30 per mile if I can. So I will see you at the first exercises, the jump ropes, soon. I'm going to hit the jump ropes here first, then I'm going to go to, just to give a description, I'm going to go to calf raises. After that, I'll do some butt kicks, and then we'll get into some sumo squats, jump lunges, and then try to finish with the curl and squat. We'll see how my fitness holds up here. All right, we're gonna start the clock now. All right, ended a little early. We're gonna move on to the calf raises. All right. Start with my toes straight. Toes out. Toes in. And straight again. See what I'm looking at. Do a couple of these. All right. Whew. Now it's time for sumo squats. I'm gonna be using a 20-pounder for this. Make sure I get in proper position with it. All right. All right, we're gonna hit some butt kicks next. 5 seconds. All right. All right. From there, I go to jump lunges, believe it or not. Now to the last exercise, the curl squat. One more. All right. All right, that completes our quick lower body workout. I'm gonna head outside and hit the 5 kilometer run. I'll post on from the Strava at the end of this video. I will see y'all tomorrow. I'll post tomorrow's workout in the morning. Y'all take care and have a good night. All right, so after my exercise, I went outside and ran. I was aiming to try to keep a steady pace to run close to 30 minutes or even break 30 minutes for 5 kilometers. And I was only able to get to about 2 kilometers before my knee started really bothering me. It was already tight, maybe from the exercise or whatnot. But I ran the first mile in 9 minutes, 22 seconds. So I was right on pace. And I wasn't breathing too hard, but the legs didn't feel great. And sure enough, it started hurting about 2 kilometers. So I just walked the rest of the way towards 2 miles. But tomorrow I'm just going to probably do a very slow jog, maybe even a walk. But I'm trying to keep at least jogging every day. And then I might do a couple of days of that, actually let the knee totally recover, and then I'll attack it closer towards the weekend. I'll give another shot at the 5 kilometers for 30 minutes. All right, see y'all tomorrow.